There, I'll give you one guess as to where I am now. I'm just there, look. Well, I'm here, but the van's there. Yeah, on my way north, and I've used the peaks as a stop-off point because it's now Monday. I think it's Monday. I don't know when I'm out. I lose total track of time, and yeah, a car going by. Yeah, so I'm just about to walk down into the village. I need milk, I need bread, so into Castleton we wander. That's why I much prefer to park here now, because my poor little legs. I normally park right up on the top or right up the far end of this road, but yeah, I'm coming this way. I only go up as far as this junction, try and get as close to this junction as I can. I know it's noisier through the night with the traffic, but that's the price I got to pay. I'd love to go up and see the castle. Never been up there yet. Been here that many times, and the castle's right on the top of that hill. The sun's come out beautiful, but it is cold. It is supposed to warm up by the weekend anyway, so that's where I'm heading, is north for the weekend. I found a little alleyway that led me to the church, so I'm going to have a wander around here. Grass is kept fairly short. Ah. I know the George's just around the corner there. I could do with a pint now, but it's too early. I don't think I'm going to go by the clock on there. Look after the dogs. Old Buick. Yeah, Buick. I just love the oldie-woldy of the little village. You know, it's not kept to no uniform in line, and there's little bits jutting in the air and out, in and out, all made from stone, oh, except for the imitation concrete stone. Yeah, I haven't really, I've been in once or twice, but I've never really looked like I am been looking today. Loving every minute. Right, parked on the bottom road, up here in the peaks, Mamtor, little Will. Shout, hello Will. Hello. Left the canopy out a little bit to keep the sun off the windows. We're going walkabouts now, aren't we? Yeah. We're going to waddle into town, into the village. Well, Womble's nearly finished his pint. Look at Piggy over there. Tell him again, Will, what have you got that you like? Extra cheesy?
Extra cheesy. Thanks, Kev.
God. If you eat all that, right, you ought to be bigger and faster than me.
There we go.
Yeah, so what do you want a knife and fork for?
I don't need them.
I got them for you.
Did you?
Yeah.
I thought you were getting them for you.
I got them for me as well. But I haven't got anything. I got a knife and fork. We're at the George in Castleton. And I think, I've been to all the pubs here, and I think this is the best out of them all. And he ordered pizza, so that comes from the snack bar in the back car park.
Yeah.
I ordered braised steak, braised beef, so mine's coming from the kitchens in here. And all those tables down there have ordered before us, because Will couldn't make up his mind.
No,
Took him
too
ages.
much choice.
So, right. Wow. Where am I going to put all that? Why have they put grass on the top?
Better pizza than Domino's.
That's what I can't understand, Will. You had pizza and you work at Domino's.
I love pizza.
Oh, plenty of gravy this time. Let's not forget my mushy peas.
Yeah. But then,
That was beautiful.
but then,
Didn't eat all his though.
yeah, I'm still eating.
Oh.
But then,
Right, I'm at a Brit stop. And there's 4 of them. And I do believe it's free. Because I was a little bit long. You cannot get a big motorhome in here. It is very small. I'll get round to the front of the pub in a second. Very large. Well, I say very large. But they got a very good kiddies play area. That's pretty good for the kids. Only thing is, like, you can hear the crows. As you can see everywhere, there's bird shit everywhere. And I don't know. Are they got any livestock in there? I could hear a chicken this morning, but yeah, there is chicken in there. Yeah, 2 chickens. But they got this lovely outside door area. Artificial grass, like. But all these sofas and armchairs and it's all in the dry. I got it off. There's the other 2. There's 2 there. There's one where Will is, and I did notice that the only space that they've really got for, if it is a big motorhome, is I'm parked in the staff parking space. I am. I pulled in here last night and yesterday afternoon, I should say, and it was full. And the other one's there. So you would get a big motorhome in on there. That's 2 parking bays. I can say that the traffic was a little bit noisy. They've protected the wall clear off. Bloody flying rats. They protected the wall. It looks like they have tried to plant it, but not to any success. As I say, it is on a major junction here for the village. Cresswell. And there we are. It's called the Hours Bar and Restaurant. OURS. And it is a nice pub. The chap that I spoke to on the phone and everything, he was great. I do say phone ahead, because as you can see, they've only got those sort of small parking spaces around the back. Phone ahead. And it's now 7:45 in the morning. The traffic was alright. I slept anyway. I do anyway. But it got a lot of outside seating, as you need in the weather that we've been having. They have got a few that parked their cars and left them last night. Well, that's back round to the kids' play area. And I can't get out. I want to walk up the shop, so I had to go through the other gate and walk round. So there we go. The other one. I'll carry on walking this way. They have got Wi-Fi in the pub, and I can pick it up outside. Oh, they've got a fifth socket over there. There's another fifth socket there. So, but there's a door pass key, code key, and that's an outside toilet, disabled toilet as well. Well, they said it's the disabled toilet. So, right, that's it. I'm going to walk up the shop. There's a welcome to Cressage sign. Cresswell, I wish I'd tell you what. Got Cressage on the brain. It's Cresswell it is. And I'm going to walk up the shop. Get some bread and milk. They got all this planted up. It's lovely. Flowered as well.